Hey, Lauren Hughes here. Let's talk Marshall Fire victims, or more importantly, or more accurately, Marshall Fire survivors. A long time ago, I became a victim for about 9 months after I thought someone assaulted me and I thought they were going to, well, hurt me irreparably. And after that, I became a shell of the person that I used to be because I was a victim. And I decided back when I was around 24 years old, I would never be a victim again. And I think it's a great mind shift from being a victim to a survivor. And the reason why I make a point to say that is today, I decided I was never going to be a victim again, and it's so very empowering to be a survivor because we all did survive. We are a community that survived. We're not victims. And when you become a survivor, that you take the power back. As a victim, you give control to whatever happened, and it took me a long time. This is the third time I've been in a situation like this. The second time was a cancer that then turned into 2 cancers. And now I know how to be a survivor and take that power back. It was not easy. The first time it happened to me, it took me 9 months. I was a victim for 9 months and was a shell of the person that I used to be. And so when I hear Marshall Fire victim, I don't like that term because we're not victims. We all got out of there. We all survived. And I think that's very, very important to understand. So anyone that's been there, you survived. You have your power. It's not going to be an easy road for recovery, but it's always good to acknowledge that and know that you are in control. When you're a victim, you lose control, you give it to other people. When you're a survivor, it's yours. You get to choose. You can choose what you want to do. If you want to talk to someone, I think it's so incredible. So it shows such strength to admit that, hey, you know what, I'm not okay. I need to go talk to someone or anything of that nature. So if you guys have anything, I'm going through this with you. This is the third time I've handled a situation like this, and albeit never a fire. It's, and I've already gained the coping mechanisms that I need to be able to thrive again. And the biggest mindset change is that I am a survivor. No one will ever take that away from me, no matter what. And knowing that we have that power is a game changer. So thanks guys for tuning in. Thank you, Boulder County community. You're absolutely amazing. And for everyone out there, I'm here too.